Welcome everyone, and today we have an interesting unboxing, something that we haven't done on this channel yet. We have a Canon XA40 4K camera that we are going to be using to do a lot of YouTube videos and other stuff, and for some of my other channels. And I wanted to unbox on this channel just to let you guys see just how great these entry-level Canon cameras are, especially for the price. If you're either doing photojournalism, documentaries, short films, you want to make, mini movies, etc., etc., these are better than using your iPhone, which we are actually taking this video with the iPhone. So this is the XA40, obviously, 4K, and it's got two slots, so it can either record everything onto two, so it will do like a backup, just like on a DSLR, like a D4, D5, D6. And it's got a built-in lens, obviously 20x optical zoom, which is fine because of the price point, which is $14.99. You can find these used for around $13.99, so better to just go with brand new. But these are great all-around cameras. These are fantastic. The price point is great, and it's actually kind of small. I just picked it up today, so I figured this would have been a lot bigger, but it's not. So it seems to be very light. But also, before we actually let's unbox it, then I'll show you guys a few things that you should buy to add to this. Okay. What do we got? A warranty card. I couldn't actually get an extended warranty with this for some reason. Canon did not offer it. And XA40 and XA45 has the same manual. There is another one, I think the 50 or whatever it was, and it was like $200-$300 more, but it doesn't really do much more different. Okay, let's actually put this to the side here. Yeah, and this is exactly why we are getting a camera, so we don't use everything on the iPhone, because the iPhone mount just really stinks. You can't really do much with it. But wow. Okay, what do we got? Power cable. And this is the battery. This is a really small battery. Just to show you guys, here is a baseball card. It's like half the size of a baseball card. We got that. Lens hood. Some screws. We got a charger. I would hope so. And TDK. What is this? This is interesting. Look at that. Look at that TDK logo there. It's magnetic. So I'm very curious what that's for. And is this the actual camera there? Oh my god, I believe this is the camera. Okay, we'll open that in a second. Is there anything else in the box? Oh, right, okay. And then we got, you guys can see, this is the shotgun mic mount. This does not come with a shotgun mic. I'll tell you guys what I bought for it. And obviously this should be the, I don't know, the card, that should be where all the inputs and everything go. Yep. There you go. And this is one of the reasons why you want to have a camera like this. Because you got 48 phantom power. You got 2 XLR, and you can, obviously channel 1, channel 2. So the same like the old Canon XL1s. And there are your 2 XLR inputs. Now this does forget where on the body, but we're going to get to that in a second. Let's get all the stuff out and we can assemble this. Let's get this box out of the way somehow without hitting the camera. Look at that. And this is exactly why the iPhone is not a good vlogging camera for big things. Alright. Let's find the body of the camera. There we go. You know, and there we go. Okay. So that is interesting. Look at that. So this actually is going to come out when you zoom. That is very interesting, the way it's set up like that. Let's see. Let's take a look at a few things here. So there is onboard mics right there. So if you don't have a shotgun mic or don't have the money to buy one, SD cards go right there, 2 of them. Don't cheap out on those, obviously. There's infrared. Now I believe, what are we missing here? Battery. So this would be like a dial for the menu, I believe. I'm looking for, so power is gonna go into here, obviously. You guys see that? Now I'm trying to find, oh, here we go. Mic, headphones, HDMI, go all in here. There we go. And you can connect to USB like that. HDMI output, mic for 3.5 millimeter, and obviously your headphones. And this should come off easily, so you can put built-in speaker there. But let me show you guys what I bought for a shotgun mic for now. Audio Technica Micro Center, $90, and this is great because it can do wide and far. It's not a condenser. It does take power, so it kind of is, but it kind of isn't. And obviously 3.5 millimeter. I just needed a microphone as soon as possible, and this is what they had. Everything else was cheaper stuff, but for now this would do. And then when we get to it, we'll probably get some wireless mics. We'll probably get some other Audio Technica shotgun mics that are gonna, you know, go directly to XLR, obviously. Now I believe this is going to, yeah, so this is going to connect through like that, which is very, very interesting. Spring loaded, obviously. Actually, is it spring loaded? It's kind of spring loaded. 1 second. Got the other screws here. All right, we got the shotgun mic holder right there. We got, let's take a look at this hood real quick. That's actually quite clever. That is very clever, actually. 1 second. How is this going to screw on? That is interesting. Alright, so it is going to screw on. Wait, I think I got it. There it is. That's pretty cool. So that's all set there. Let's get this up and running, which it just snaps in like that. Just bolt it down like that. So it has a connection. So all the information and all the audio is going from here through here to into the body. You have one more hot shoe up here. You can probably bolt on like a video light or something if you need to. We should probably look at the menu. And okay, so that is all assembled. Obviously this is going to go to the side of it. Now, like I said, these cameras are perfect for anything because you obviously can't attach too much stuff to your iPhone, even though with Apple they try to sell you on that. but it just doesn't work. It doesn't work great. I've tried it, you know. And then when you buy all the accessories, like the actual, you know, the actual ones that work, that are pricey, that are like stable, it's just, you know, it's not worth it. So I'm guessing these guys are gonna go in like that. And this goes in like that. Yep. And you can always take this off, especially if you're running wireless mics and using up two. But this is actually quite clever. I would have liked it if there was like kind of like a rail here, so when you're running shotgun mics or whatever, you can wire up the cables so they're out of the way, because I can see an issue going like that. But this is a very small light package. I actually really enjoy this. So we are going to use this tomorrow, depending when you guys see this video, and I will do some test stuff with it. But this is really good because I wish I had my Canon XL1 and XL2 to show you guys. Those cameras were $5 each, and they were about this big. Same style, obviously, but they used mini DV at the time, which was an awesome format. But infrared, I didn't see that when I bought it, so curious to try it out. I really do love. Oh, look at that! There's a sensor right there, which must be the infrared. All right. Alright, and we can use, instead of mics, we can use the line input, which would be the 3.5. This is typical Canon. This has been around for, and you can obviously lock it once you start recording. It's a useful feature. Other than that, this is a lot of bang for the buck. We're gonna see, well, we're gonna see the quality of it first. Let's see what time it is. Oh, it's very late tonight. But I am very glad that we got this for the YouTube channels, and I will post some videos and test results. Is there a date when it was made? Made in Japan, which is interesting. Alright guys, let me know what you think. Let me know what you guys are doing for video, or if any one of you is thinking about getting into short films, because let's be realistic here. This is an all-in-one package for around $1,500, plus, you know, a mic and some cards. And if you get a new iPhone, the iPhone Pro is going to be over $1,000, and you can't get any of them. And then you have to get the accessories and everything. So this is a much better deal. Alright guys, let me know what you think. Comment, like, subscribe, and I'll see you next time.